How to find business hours, phone number, and website on Yelp. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Yelp on your device. Here, simply add your location at the top and then search the businesses you want to search. You'll find different options. You can scroll down, and when you click on one of the business, you'll find their about, and you'll also find the business hours, phone numbers on the right side, and book a consultation, location and hours in here. And if you scroll down at the bottom, you'll find more informations for number, location, hours in the same website. And this is how to find business hours, phone number, and website on Yelp. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.